What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to kind of go over some of the setups that happened today on the NASDAQ futures. So we're looking at ticker symbol NQ. Now, today was probably one of the more cleaner type of days that we've had in a while. We really started to push upwards, between the hours of 7:30 Pacific Standard Time into around that 9:45, 10 a.m. time, followed by a little bit of a back test here, and we're still kind of holding the upper range. Now, for those of you guys who have been watching my YouTube videos, for those of you guys who maybe are involved with Evolution Traders, you guys kind of know the strategy, the basic strategy of using the 20 SMA along with some supply and demand zones. Now, if you guys are still having some trouble and you guys would like to potentially join where you guys can trade live with me and the team each and every single day, that link is down in the description box below. It comes with a couple of courses, comes with the community, comes with one-on-one coaching, so forth and so forth. But I'm starting just from the start of the day. Now, realistically, we've only had 3 setups all day, okay? That doesn't mean that there wasn't more trades in there that you could have found in the chart. However, if you took a lot more than 3 trades, which I can fully be transparent, I took a lot more than 3 trades on the day. That's because I was kind of taking some continuation breakouts. I was taking consolidation breakouts. I was, taking some other trades in there. But if we just really stick to using the 20 SMA and we really size ourselves appropriately to where, we can potentially size into a trade and allow ourselves to sit in the trade for an extended period of time to either see if it's going to work or fail, you would have made some really good money. So if we look at the first setup that we got off the bell, it was at 650 PST. You can see we close over the 20 SMA. We're right below this flat 200. We do confirm at a price of around 14,737. And within 10 minutes, that shoots up to a price of 14,772. So if you really look at this move, this is a 30 to 40 point move. Now, depending on your position sizing and depending on where you like to take profits, if you're taking profits at 5 handles or 10 handles or 20 handles, even 25 handles, this is a successful winning trade and you would have made money on this trade here. Now, this is a winner. So I'm going to put a $sign here and I'm going to put a check mark. Now, the next setup that starts to form is this short position. However, it never confirms. So there's no trade here on the short. Now, the next trade that sets up is here. You can see us close back over the 20 period moving average. This is your 1 bar stop, or you can use the 20 SMA as your stop. This is your entry candle. This is your reason why candles pivot. And you can see this trade goes from a price of entry would have been somewhere around 14,730s, and it goes all the way up to a price of 14,790s. So again, whether you're taking 5 handles, 10 handles, 20 handles, 25 handles, 30 handles, letting a runner run, this trade essentially goes up in a matter of 25 minutes, 40 points. Now, if you would have held through some of this choppiness action, let's say a potential runner, you could have potentially caught over 200 points on this run up. So once this trade starts to get away from you, right, and you have a late entry, or let's say, for example, you took some profits, the last thing you want to kind of do is chase every new high, because you have no idea where this can start to pull back, right? How did we know that in here that we weren't going to pull back? How did we know that in here we weren't going to pull back? Or even in here when we started to consolidate, how did we know that, right? So the funny thing about trading is that you need to absolutely stay patient and wait for your setups. However, if you do get into a move and you take some profits, you can't just start chasing every, speck of the way up. Now, the only other trade that I seen that was really not a 20 SMA setup was this one here. You can look at this high here. You can look at this consolidation here, and then you can see the breakout through this consolidation here. I could see someone potentially taking this trade. And the reason why I say that is because I took this trade as well. So again, I'm only looking for, 10, 15, 20 points max. I'm going to be selling out in the vicinity of this area here or this area here on a runner. And if we kind of look to what happened towards the later half of the day, we finally got our first 20 SMA setup to the downside that once it confirmed, it did chop around for about 35 minutes before it started to really start to push down. Now, again, if you're a type of trader that is looking to get in, you know, around 14,882, and you're looking for that 10, 15, 20, 25 point rundown, you would have got it on this trade as well. So technically, if played correctly, this is a winner check. This is a winner check. This breakout here is a winner check. And the short position is a winner check. So we should have all been profitable today trading NASDAQ futures. If you weren't and you need a little bit more help, make sure you guys join the room so you guys can be involved in the chat. You can be involved in the courses. You can be involved in the community, so forth and so forth. But again, personally, I made over $1,000 trading NASDAQ futures on my Top Step account. If you guys would like to see that, join the room. I posted it up in the P&L section. Again, I took a lot more than 3 or 4 trades. I took close to 10, 15 trades, somewhere in between that. And again, was trading, my size today was 5 contracts. Okay. So I was trading 5 contracts at a time. Again, understand your position sizing, understand where, you know, potentially if you do lose a trade, how much money are you going to lose and can you afford to lose that? And also understand that, you know, when you do take 15, 20, 25 points out, how much are you realistically looking to make? And once that all becomes a lot clearer, you'll have a much better sense of direction when it comes to trading your account. So again, I'll see all of you guys on the next video. If you guys would like to join us, make sure to follow the link down in the description box below so you guys can be a part of the team and we can all start to make money together. I'll catch you guys all later.